Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a viral double bun hairstyle. So let's get started. By the way, my hair is extremely oily, but we will work with it. First of all, I will take small section of hair from the front on both sides, and then I will divide the rest of my hairs into two parts at the back. Now I will comb one side of my hair and tie it with a hair tie, and then do the same on the other side. Be sure to tie the hairs at the top of your head, not too far back and not too close to the front. Since we are making buns, also make sure your hairline is neat. I have created a plus sign on my head to help with the sections. Next, I will braid both sections of hair that I am going to tie it up. After braiding and making buns, I will pin them with the hairpins, and I won't fluff them up just yet. I will do that later. So guys, for this hairstyle I will braid the small sections at the front. These braids can be tricky because my hair is thin and it is very difficult to control the thin hairs, and I used a small amount of hair. Once the braids are done, I will pin them to the buns on each side. So guys, after that I will gently fluff up the braids or buns to add some volume, and then I will set it with the hair setting gel. By the way, this is my eyebrow gel and I will use it for setting my hair sometime. So for finishing, I will add some star hair clips at the front, which looks really cute, and that's the hairstyle. I think it looks adorable and gave a youthful vibes. You can even try this on your kids. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys.